Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today in this video, we are going to see about stored XSS, that is stored cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting is a vulnerability where in a website you are able to inject custom scripts. For example, let's say you have a comment box and using that comment box you can give an input. Instead of input, what you can give is also you can give code. So when that code actually goes to the backend and processes it and comes to the front end, if it is like interpreted as code, then it will be executed. And if it's executed, so what happens is it will be reflected across your web page. So I will show you in a practical demo in this website. So this website is not an actual website, it's a demo website. So in this one, we will see stored XSS. In my last video, I have told about reflected XSS, where you will be giving the input and it processes it and gives the output, and in that output, it will be kind of processed and executed. But in reflected XSS, what happens is only one time it will be executed. But when it comes to stored cross-site scripting, what happens is it will be executed every time for every user who uses the page. For example, let's say that I have a comment, and in that comment, I am putting some code inside it. So whoever loads that comment will also see that execution happening in their system. Just imagine how someone can hack your bank account credentials or any cookies that you are present in the browser. Anything they can do. Very risky, right? So this is a sample website, and you can see there are multiple posts in this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one post. So here in this post, we can see the comment section is there. You can see this is the name, and this is the date, and this is the comment done by Aima Richman. So similarly, we have 2-3 comments, just a sample. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm not going to give a comment. Okay. So let's try to give a comment ABC and give like the name and email. So try to post the comment. So when I back to the blog, you can see I'm able to see my comment over here. So this is how a normal website works. So instead of giving the comment, what I'm going to do is in this place, I'm going to give the code here, which can be executed. So here I'm going to give the code, same, and post it. And as you can see, now nothing actually reflects. When you are submitting the code, nothing reflects, but this is a stored cross-site scripting. What happens is it got stored in the comment part of the web page. So whoever loads that page will have that execution. For example, when I click on back to blog, you will see that execution. You can see it got executed, and alert box came with the value 1. So this is how stored XSS works. So let's see how it actually looks in the backend also. I'll show you here. You see, this is the one. So this is the post comment. We'll see where is that post is there. You can see in this part of the code, whenever you gave the input and it was processing and putting that input inside as a comment in that page, and when it puts, you see it actually puts this whole code also, and here it's not interpreted as a text like this. You see, this is a text, but this is not a text. It has been interpreted as a code. So I'll show you how that even reflects here in this page. You will not be able to see that part in the page also, because it is interpreted as code and not as text. You can see that script part itself is not visible because it is interpreted as code and got executed. So this is how stored XSS works, guys. I hope this is interesting. So please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video with more concepts that is in a practical way and easily understandable way. I just want to show you guys how everything looks like in real websites. See you guys in the next video.